For the last couple of weeks, the crypto market has been trying to claw its way out of the slump that it has been in. However, while it seemed like things were finally picking up, the US government recently dropped an update that could see SHIB and even the entire crypto market go extinct. This is going to be a sober video, but it is packed with information, so make sure to stick around till the end. Disclaimer. Getting right into it, the US Treasury and IRS has proposed regulations on Bitcoin and crypto transactions. This is not at all that surprising, considering how much the United States government has wanted to regulate the crypto market. According to sources, the regulations are going to be in the form of tax reporting standards at least this time around, and they are going to be as stringent as possible. According to the IRS, these proposed regulations would require brokers, including digital asset trading platforms, digital asset payment processors, and certain digital asset hosted wallets to file information returns and furnish payee statements on dispositions of digital assets affected for customers in certain sale or exchange transactions. The Biden-Harris administration has presented these regulations as an attempt to close the tax gap by addressing the tax crimes that digital currencies make possible. What this tells us is that this administration is still largely not trusting of the crypto market, even cryptos like SHIB that have proven to be safe in spite of how long it has been around, and still considers it nothing more than a tool for crime. It's quite sad that this is the state of affairs, considering how large a market the United States is. It should be mentioned though that these regulations are still just proposals. They haven't yet been implemented and there's no guarantee that they will. Of course, it would be beneficial to the crypto market if they weren't implemented, but you never can tell with these things. Also, the proposed timeline for the implementation of these regulations, if they are approved, is the beginning of 2026, so I guess we still have some time. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Meanwhile, the crypto community has started reacting to the possibility of the US regulating the crypto market. To start with, crypto analysts do not necessarily think that the tax regulation would put an end to the crypto market as we know it. After all, the regulations would only apply to the United States. However, they do believe that it would prevent investors and crypto companies from venturing into the US market, effectively killing the already struggling US crypto market. Ryan Selkis, CEO of the crypto company Masari, had this to say on Twitter: "There's no future for crypto in the US if Biden is re-elected. I'm sorry, move abroad, draft Newsom and hope for the best, or vote GOP where at least we know the top 3 candidates are less terrible on this issue. Crypto has always been political. Have a nice weekend." So not only might crypto companies choose to avoid the US because of this proposal, it looks like some members of the crypto company would be choosing their next president based on this issue. Other crypto CEOs have expressed their disappointment with the Biden-Harris administration on this issue as well. People like CoinFund's Chris Perkins believe that the US should be considering introducing policies that encourage responsible innovations in crypto instead of making it difficult for those innovations to happen at all. What the dev team is doing with Shiba Inu is a good example that innovations in crypto can be responsible and beneficial to the economy. If the US government could only pay attention, they would see the benefits that they are trying to throw away with their policies. If the United States moves on with these crypto stifling policies, other countries would take advantage of the stack to forge ahead with crypto innovations. And for a prominent world power like the United States, lagging behind in an economic revolution is not something that it can afford. That said, it's important that we all remember that these policies have not been implemented yet, and they might not even be, especially if the Biden-Harris administration is not re-elected. I guess we'll just have to keep our fingers crossed. Meanwhile, it's possible that all of this talk of the US coming down hard on the crypto market has encouraged Coinbase to seek out other markets. Recent reports reveal that Coinbase is in talks with some of the biggest banks and payment partners in Canada as it officially launches in the country. Its partnership with these big banks and payment partners would allow for seamless fund transfers on the platform, which is something that new users would appreciate a lot. By the way, I should mention that this pretty much means that the SHIB market has increased by a lot. As you definitely already know, SHIB is listed on Coinbase and has been listed for a couple of years. So now that Coinbase has made its way to Canada, it means that people in Canada would now have a lot more access to buying SHIB. That's definitely something that we can be happy for as SHIB holders. But for the wider crypto market, Coinbase's recent move proves that crypto companies are not willing to throw away the baby with the bathwater. Instead of dropping all crypto investments, they would just look for markets that are a lot more accepting of and favorable to the crypto market. So I guess the only people that need to be worried about all of this are US residents. And even US residents can find their way around things using a VPN. The biggest loser if the US decided to go along with their crypto impositions would be the US economy. Imagine how much it would miss out on if there was a crypto revolution. That said, not every state in the US is on board these crypto restrictions. There are a number of states that seem quite crypto-friendly and would probably have more crypto-positive regulations if the wider country was more accepting of crypto. Analysts have actually taken the time to look at interactions with cryptocurrencies in the different states to determine which states are more interested in crypto. According to Investment Monitor, the study measured and compared the online search interest for crypto-related terms in each US state, uncovering the top states for cryptocurrency enthusiasm in 2023. But before we get to that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck. Now back to the results. Nevada proved to be the state that shows the most enthusiasm and acceptance towards cryptocurrencies. It scored highly in searching for crypto terms, news, websites, and prices in 2023. According to reports, there have been 2,000 crypto-related searches for every 100,000 residents. And these results are consistent with last year's results, as Nevada was also shown to be the most crypto-friendly state in 2022. Other states that ranked pretty high in crypto-friendliness in order are California, New York, New Jersey, Washington, Florida, Massachusetts, Colorado, Virginia, and Oregon. With states like New York, it isn't at all surprising that they show a lot of interest in the crypto market. New York is considered the financial capital of the US and home to Wall Street. So there are a lot of people and companies in that state that are used to making smart financial decisions. That said, the reports did not show what specific cryptocurrencies people in these states have been searching up. However, I don't think it would be unrealistic to think that SHIB was one of those cryptocurrencies. For one, older reports have shown that SHIB tends to be one of the most searched tokens in the crypto market. Also, and this is more applicable, Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, especially for its shibarium launch. Sure, some of that news is not positive, considering that the initial shibarium launch was not exactly successful. Whatever the case though, it makes sense that SHIB was one of the tokens that were searched up. But of course, we'll never know, unless there's a different research. But you can tell us what you think about this possibility in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.